May nagsend na naman sa akin ng video requesting for chicken ala king. Syempre, atras ba tayo dyan? Meron tayong recipe na ganyan na napakasarap. Let's begin! Around 1 kilo ng chicken fillet, lagyan natin ng asin and pepper. Paprika powder, garlic powder, and pangpabango curry powder. Konti lang. 1 egg and mix. Set aside and gawin na natin yung dry ingredients. Magmi-mix tayo ng flour and cornstarch para mas crispy siya. Season with salt and pepper. Mix. Then, i-cover nyo na yung chicken ng flour mixture. You have to make sure na well-covered siya. Ganito gawin nyo. Rest for about 5 minutes and deep fry na natin. On a medium heat pan, around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Pwede baliktarin and fry until golden brown. For the ala king sauce, magsaute tayo ng bawang and sibuyas. Season with salt and pepper and add butter. For thickener, magsaute ng 1/4 cup of flour. Pag nag-blend na siya sa mixture, saka nyo ilalagay yung milk. Around 2 cups to. Haluin mabuti until mag-thicken siya. Add bell pepper, chicken cube, and by this time, you may adjust the taste. Ito, pampasarap lang, pwedeng wala cheese. Pwedeng cheddar, pero ginamit ko dito parmesan. Once thickened, you may serve on top of the chicken or on the side kung anong trip nyo, and top with dried parsley. Serve nyo na kaagad kasi ang sarap niya ng mainit. Ubos agad yan, promise.